This is a 1979 Chevrolet Corvette C3 coupe, a late-era Stingray that represents the final evolution of the iconic C3 body style. Finished in red with a black interior, this Corvette still carries the classic long hood and aggressive stance that defined American sports cars in the late 1970s. While it wears 25th anniversary badges, this is not an original anniversary edition. Those emblems were added by a previous owner, which is actually an important detail for buyers and enthusiasts who care about authenticity. Mechanically, this Corvette appears to be well cared for. The engine runs strong and cruises comfortably at highway speeds, showing it's more than just a garage ornament. One of the biggest highlights is the transmission, professionally rebuilt in 2022 with fewer than 650 miles since, backed by documented receipts from a reputable shop. Over the years, key components have been refreshed, including suspension bushings, leaf springs, rear shocks, brake system upgrades, steering components, and even the headlight actuators, common problem areas on C3 Corvettes. The air conditioning is currently not working, and the exact mileage is unknown, which is typical for many classics of this era. Still, this Corvette represents a solid driver-quality C3. Not perfect, but honest, usable, and full of classic American character. If you enjoy honest classic cars with real-world stories, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more affordable legends hiding across America.